Ford just shocked the entire pickup market. A brand new V8 F-150, an affordable electric Ranger, and a Ford pickup under $20,000. These 2027 trucks are coming directly after Toyota, Ram, Chevy, and even Chinese brands. And trust me, the #1 truck completely surprised everyone. Let's start with the return of real American muscle. Number 5. 2027 Ford F-150 V8 is bringing back something truck fans thought was disappearing forever. The naturally aspirated V8, no fake engine sounds, no tiny turbo engines, pretending to be powerful. This is real American muscle. The biggest rumor is the return of the legendary 7.3-liter Godzilla V8, the same engine used in Ford's Super Duty trucks. This engine is famous for being simple, durable, and nearly indestructible. Reports say the new F-150 could produce close to 500 horsepower with massive torque. And unlike turbo engines, power delivery is instant. You press the gas, and the truck immediately responds. No lag, no hesitation. Ford is also rumored to be developing another performance V8 inspired by Mustang racing technology, which means this may become one of the most exciting F-150s ever built. Expected starting price? Around $40,000, and honestly, if Ford delivers this much performance at that price, competitors should be nervous. Number 4. 2027 Ford Maverick. When the Maverick first arrived, many people underestimated it, but Ford understood something important. Not everyone wants a giant truck. Most people simply want something affordable, practical, fuel-efficient, and easy to drive every day. And that's exactly why the Maverick became such a huge success. The 2027 Maverick Hybrid now delivers around 42 mpg in the city while producing nearly 200 horsepower. That's incredible fuel economy. For a pickup truck, if you want more power, Ford still offers the 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine with around 265 horsepower, and surprisingly, this small truck feels quick. It can also tow nearly 2 tons when properly equipped. Ford upgraded the interior too with better materials, more technology, and advanced safety systems. The Maverick Tremor version now looks even more aggressive with off-road suspension and skid plates. Starting price? Around $25,000, which honestly makes it one of the smartest trucks on the market. Number 3. 2027 Ford Super Duty F-350. Now we enter serious territory because Ford is preparing something absolutely insane. Over 20 tons of towing capacity. Yes, over 20 tons. This truck is built for people who tow heavy equipment and massive trailers every single day. Ford is reportedly preparing a new 8.0-liter Power-stroke diesel engine producing nearly 1,900 Nm of torque. That's unbelievable power for a pickup truck. The famous 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 will also return with improved durability and performance. And honestly, few things sound better than a giant American V8 under heavy load. Ford also continues using a military-grade aluminum body and reinforced steel frame for better towing, stability, and lower weight. Expected starting price? Around $48,000, and for a truck this capable, that's seriously impressive. Number 2. 2027 Ford Ranger Lightning. Ford realized something important about electric trucks. Not everyone wants a massive and ultra-expensive EV pickup. That's why Ford is now focusing on something smarter. The Ranger Lightning, a midsize, electric pickup designed for everyday work and city driving. This truck could tow around 4.5 tons while remaining smaller and more practical than larger electric trucks. Ford is also introducing a lighter electrical system to improve efficiency and reduce weight. And here's the biggest surprise. The expected price may start below $50,000. That matters because most electric pickups today are simply too expensive. But the Ranger Lightning still looks like a real truck. Tough, boxy, durable, not some futuristic experiment. And honestly, this could become one of Ford's smartest EVs yet. Number 1. 2027 Ford Ranchero. This is the truck nobody expected to return, the Ford Ranchero. And honestly, this may become the most important truck on this entire list because Ford reportedly wants to price it below $20,000. Think about that. A brand new pickup truck for under $20K. That sounds almost impossible today. The new Ranchero is expected to be a compact electric pickup focused entirely on affordability. It's designed for students, young workers, and people who simply need a practical truck without spending a fortune. Ford will reportedly use a lightweight platform and a smaller battery to reduce costs and improve efficiency. And that's the secret. This truck doesn't need to be huge or luxurious. It just needs to be useful, efficient, and affordable. And if Ford actually launches this truck below $20,000, it could completely change the pickup market forever, because suddenly, millions of people may finally be able to afford a brand new truck again. And honestly, that's exactly why Ford's competitors should be worried.